Creating stunning social media posts on your phone is super easy with the Canva mobile app. First, download and open the Canva app, then log in or sign up for a free account. On the home screen, you will see templates for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Tap on the social media platform you want to design for, let's say Instagram post. Canva will load a canvas with the correct dimensions, and you can choose from thousands of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Once your template loads, tap on any element to customize it. Change the text, font, colors, or even upload your own photos by tapping the plus icon and selecting Uploads. You can also explore Canva's huge media library for stock images, icons, and graphics. Want to add your brand's color palette or logo? You can save brand assets in the app if you're using a pro account, but the free version gives you tons of tools too. When your design is ready, tap the download icon in the top right and choose your file format: JPG, PNG, or even MP4 for animated posts. You can save it to your device or post it directly to social media from the app. Whether you're promoting a product, creating a quote graphic, or launching a story, Canva makes mobile designing fast, intuitive, and professional looking.